Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today in this video we'll be covering about Bitcoin Ethereum pair AI based forecast for that pair as well as Doge USD pair forecast. So we'll be covering a lot of AI based forecast. All of the forecasts are available on the website on the bottom of your screen. The name of the website is Crypto Weeklies. The link is also in description. So today we'll be starting with sentiment, the last 24 hours worth of sentiment. One of the bullish narratives for the last 24 hours news cycle is Doge to trigger a mega parabolic bull run. You can check each of the sentiment and each of the narrative and its sentiment. This is analyzed by our machine learning based model, specifically trained on crypto specific narratives. Some of the bullish narratives are this, whereas one bearish narrative is I think one of the news article talked about Bitcoin crash. So check them out on this website. We'll be looking at the overall risk and updates. Over the last week, the risk has increased. That is from March 27th to at about 0.33 risk to about now 0.35 risk. But in the larger scheme of things, the risk is still below this zero point 0.4 threshold, above which this is the composite risk score. Just wanted to mention that this is the higher the risk, the chances that we are closer to a peak, the lower the risk, the chances are higher that we are closer to a bottom. You can see that this is trained on several factors such as volatility, alpha, beta, and also risk adjusted return and percent drawdown, and to calculate what is a topping signal and a bottoming signal for overall crypto market. So this is our risk, and in terms of individual risk, you can see that BTC risk is at around 0.48, whereas ETH risk is at around 0.6. We'll be also talking about Doge, so makes sense to cover its composite risk. This is also trained on the metrics that we just discussed for the overall risk. This is trained for specific risk. These are the gauge charts where zero is, if the risk is zero, that means near to zero, that is it's a fairly risk neutral or risk mitigated environment, whereas as we move especially towards this 0.8 to 1, for example, how Solana USD is right now, that is a high risk in terms of a decline, imminent decline. This is not financial advice. So just wanted to share BTC at 0.48, ETH at 0.6, almost at 0.6, Doge slightly above 0.6. It makes sense, like the lower market cap cryptos, if they are rallying a lot, that means they might be running out of steam soon. So this is just a way to model this. Some new release that we have on our analytics is the word cloud, and this basically is scraping all of the narratives related to crypto, and the higher the frequency of a narrative, the larger its size on this narrative wall or narrative cloud. So crypto, Bitcoin, new cryptos and altcoin, and then Ethereum and XRP are taking much of the uh, space on this wall. That means they are being talked a lot across the crypto market. And this is again our machine learning based model trained specifically on an NLTK to check out what are the narratives popular in the crypto market right now. This is all of crypto market, and we haven't sliced and diced by any time period. We'll be soon doing that over the last week, popular narratives over the last week, month, and so on. This is all of crypto narratives, and we have scraped almost like more than 10,000 titles on YouTube, and this is how the composite wall has come into existence, the crypto word cloud. So you can check that out as well. We'll be updating. Now let's go to the crypto pair of our AI models focus for this video, the Bitcoin Ether pair. This is the number of Ether tokens available for one BTC. So this is BTC priced in ETH. You can see that the trend is clear. From October 2015, one BTC would fetch about 530 Ether tokens. That shifted in 2017 to around 100 ETH per BTC. In 2019, usually when this chart peaks, that means has a top, that means that we are in a bear market. When Ether does not perform as well as BTC, that means it is either a beginning of a bull market or the depths of the bear market. So that is again in September 2019, one BTC could fetch about 59 to 60 Ether tokens. Now that is in bear market of 2022, one BTC could fetch almost that is towards the end of bull run, one BTC could only fetch about 11.8 Ether tokens. That increased in the bear market to about slightly under 20 Ether per BTC. We are going back to this. You can, if you zoom it in, for today, almost that is this week at around 19.7 Ether per BTC. So trying to breach this 20 Ether per BTC level, that is a significant resistance, it seems, at least throughout this bear market. So the model that we have trained for all of this weekly BTC ETH pricing has come up with a forecast for the remainder of year 2024 and first couple of weeks and couple of months in 2025. The trend is clear, forecasted by our model. This is not financial advice. From where we are at around 19 Ether per BTC, our model has forecasted, especially now that we are in a bull run, the valuation of BTC in terms of ETH to go down. That is in bull run, Ether outperforming BTC to about from 19.7 Ether per BTC to about 16.5, sorry, 17.5 ETH per BTC. And as if you are a BTC, sorry, Ether bull, you're looking at this yellow zone, which is the bear case for BTC per bullish for ETH. And equally and opposite is the green zone, which is bullish for BTC but bearish for ETH. So we'll be covering both of the scenarios. First, we'll start with what is bullish for Bitcoin. If let's say there are some narratives which help Bitcoin to outperform ETH by a lot, the forecast for BTC in terms of its ETH is pair is at around from 20 ETH per BTC to all the way about 50 ETH per BTC. And if we were to go back to BTC's own USD pair forecast that we have for the year, end of year, between 100K and 112K, and if we say that one BTC could fetch about 50 Ether, then if you divide 112K by 50, you would find that Ether's forecast would be between $2,000 and $2,200. So if the pair were to go that much higher in Bitcoin's favor, but equal and opposite to that is what if Ether outperforms BTC? At that case, the bull case for Ether is between 9.5 Ether per BTC. Sorry, 9.5 Ether per BTC. Yeah, that's the bull case for Ether, and the range between 17.9 and 9.5. If we take a median value of around 15, or let's even better, we'll take 12 Ether per BTC. That is what we had in essentially in the last bull run. If and if we go back to Bitcoin's price forecast, and if we divide this 110 or 110K by 12, you would get almost 8 to 9,000 dollar forecast, USD forecast for Ether. So that is the Bitcoin Ether pair in terms of BTC divided by ETH. If you were to take an inverse of that, you'll still find that the pair, at least the our AI model to forecast the pair, at least at a base case level, to favor Ether over BTC right now. So let's go to Dogecoin and its USD based forecast now. This is again one of the model that we have trained specifically on Doge price action at a weekly level, starting November 2017. The price action forecasted by our model for now between early April to late July August time frame is between, at a base case level, now that the price for Doge is at around 20 cents. Our model has forecasted the price action for Doge between this was trend. The model was trend early March of 2024. You can see when the model was trained at around 3rd March of 2024. Our model for April at a base case level was forecasting at around 15 cents, but at a bull case for April, forecast began around 26 cents and end around 34 cents. So the bull case the for Doge right now, that we are in April, is between 23 cents all the way to about 72 cents. And the previous all-time high at a weekly average price was at around 58 cents. So again, our the theoretical ceiling forecasted by our model, not financial advice, is between 20 cents and 72 cents for Doge. The bear case is between 5 cents and around, now that we are in April, is 5 cents and 7 cents. And the base case is between 15 cents and 19 cents for Doge. So hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.